So this is what it looks like. I've got my chargers on the right and my battery containers on the left, and everything is powered by one 60-watt multi-USB port. And it looks very clean, super handy, and very functional. Hi everyone, this is a quick DIY on how to make a wall charging station like that for all my batteries. And the reason why I did this is because I got so many different type of batteries that I need to charge all the time, and I would have to have just a cluster of chargers on the floor on one of these multi-plug, and it just looks messy. And I've seen a bunch of people doing their take on this type of wall, and I think this one might be not the best, but it is very cheap, and I made this with IKEA stuff. So I bought everything from IKEA, and these come in different colors, brown or white, and they come in different sizes. The one I got was the smallest one, it cost 10 bucks. Then I got this little container for 4 euros. Then I got 4 of these, which you get them for 3 bucks each, but it's cheaper if you buy them by 3. Then I got a bunch of hooks for 2 euros, and I got the Anker Power Port 10. It's the 60 watt and it's got 10 USB-C ports. These are the tools that you will need. A glue gun, and that's pretty much it. Then you will have to get rid of these type of chargers and replace them with USB chargers. Micro USB or USB-C, depending on what you can find. But this is what's going to cost you the most. They're being shipped with the batteries, so you might not even have to buy one. Then to charge everything, you will need to buy one of those multi-USB charger. For the one that I used an Anker with 10 of these. But if you don't need that many, you can just buy however many you need. And if you also want to charge your computer with it that has a USB-C port, then you can get one with a USB-C. And once you figure out how many chargers you need, then place your battery chargers on a cardboard or just on the table and figure out how big you will need your wall charger to be. So let's say if I only had 4 like that, I could get rid of this little Chrome box, which is the new stuff that they sent me. I do need to test it out. For that, I would only need maybe this size. And also be careful on the direction of the plug, because you don't want them to be hitting each other like that. And so you want to give them enough space for them to breathe and be able to take the batteries off also. And once this is done, all you have to do is get the glue gun, stick them together, stick the USB port through the hole. If you buy them small enough, you might not have to drill bigger holes, but if you just want to use your current one, you might have to drill bigger holes in it. Then you can just glue the power bank on the back of it, and then that's pretty much it. One thing you need to make sure is that the battery pack fits behind here. And I had to make more space behind it to fit the battery pack. And when placing the battery chargers, you really need to be careful at the port, the USB port that's going to go in. You want to give it enough space, like you can see here, to be able to not twist the cable too hard, because you're going to damage it. So really be careful. And you can see that the battery that I'm pointing at, I have to plug it in from the bottom up, which if you had bigger batteries could fall off. So really be careful, make sure that the batteries are being fit in from the top to the bottom. Especially with the NP-F batteries, they can be really heavy, so you really want them to go from the top to the bottom when you slide them in. So here's my setup. I've got the Canon battery chargers for the 5D. I've got the D30 charger. It's the first Canon digital camera ever made. And then you have the Sony battery chargers for all the A7 series. And you've got the NP-F batteries that powers the Blackmagic and also my monitors. And you've got the normal AA, AAA battery chargers and also the batteries for the gimbals. And I could have gotten one that was powered by USB, but this one is a really good charger, so I really wanted to have it. Here's my Apple Watch charger that I glued on the side. And I also had 3 extra USB ports, so what I did is I plugged in a lightning cable for my iPhone. I've got a USB-C cable to charge my lights and anything that needs USB-C. I got a micro USB because I don't know why everyone is still making micro USB even in 2020, but here's why I have it. And here's how I recharge my Rode Wireless Go. I have 2 USB-Cs sticking out of the board. I drilled bigger holes and glued it down with the glue gun just to make sure that everything was secured. And it looks awesome and it works super well. And you also have those little hooks that are pretty handy if you want to just use it for your phone, for example. Or here I have also my my headset. I do have to find a different hook because it is digging into the leather here, so this is not good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really does help. And hit the like button also, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, or if you think I forgot something. I'll be very happy to make a follow-up video. And yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you in the next one, and if you do make any of these, post them up on Instagram and I'll be happy to check them out.